So you can see it's by REDTIGER 4K Ultra Wi-Fi app control GPS tracking. It says the MRP is 18,000, but I got it for 13,500 during sale. It goes for around 12,500. This is the main unit. You have a suction mount here. This is the 12-watt charger you get, which gets connected to the main unit via Type-C. The back camera. There are a couple of adapters which will let me route the wires, and then there is this tool which will let me tuck in the wires inside the car. This is the main unit. So I'll install it in the car, and I'll try to make some video samples, and I'll put it in the video. So this is the mount for the main cam. Okay, this is the mount for GPS. So you can see this is the GPS unit. Okay, I think these connectors, they go in here like this. So it is connected to the main unit. It was supposed to come with 32 GB card. Yeah, I can see some cards. So yeah, I think it has come with a SD card. But I think I'll be replacing it for a 256 GB or 128 GB card. As you can see, I have set up the camera like this here on the windshield. And you can see this is how it is set up. The front cam, yeah, and the back cam also. These are the options to control the camera. I have set a 15 seconds screen off, so that's why it turned off. Yeah. Yeah. So these are the options available here. If you want to watch the video, you can come to playback and see the videos here. Okay, and if I'll try to play one. So you can see I have 1,000 some files. So I can play it like this in the screen itself. So you can see it's being played now. Or if I want, I'll just show you this. Yeah, so I can play it here, or if I want, I can play it in the app also.